it's a long time since I posted a video or a short. So I'm showing off all of my knives in this video. I'll show off my karambit knife. I will make a tutorial next time because all of you guys like tutorials and how to make them. It's so easy how to make some like things. Oh, I'm not supposed to see you. Wait, blah blah blah. Blah. Oh, I'm not supposed to. Bro. Okay, sorry. I'm supposed to make a video about my combat knife next video. Okay, next video. I'm gonna show off my folding knife. This way. Folding knife. You wanna hold like the thumb right there and make the combat. It protects everything. Oh, yeah. You can cut your fingers. And my karambit knife. Wait a sec. What? My karambit knife has one special move. It doesn't stab really strong. Yeah. Unlike my other knives, it's strong. Dang it. Like, everything will be stronger when... Oh, snap. Oh, snap. Oh, no, I breaked it. I think Wait a sec. Ta-da! You like my magic? Of course, I stopped the video. That's it. Bye. See you in next video. So cringe, fuck this. Oh, sorry, that's the timer, sorry. Sorry. Okay?